providing a financial platform for creators.
Memboro, in a nutshell, is a social media platform where fans can financially support their favorite creators and creators can provide their exclusive content to their fans.
They help creators get paid for the content they make.
I think how actively and dynamically we are involved with our creators and our users is something that sets us apart from any other startup.
Music's India A-list proudly recognizes Anshul Yadav and Pragya Sitka for excellence in rising startup.
Hello and welcome. You're watching NewsX India A-List. I have with me Anshul Yadav and Pragya Sikka, the co-founders of a homegrown crowdfunding platform called Memboro. Welcome to the show, Anshul and Pragya. So,
Thank
Anshul,
you,
let me
Aarti.
start with you. When did you
Mhm.
start Memboro, and tell us a bit about the platform?
Yeah, so Memboro, in a nutshell, is a social media platform where fans can financially support their favorite creators and creators can provide their exclusive content to their fans. So a content creator can make membership models and put their exclusive content behind those models. The entire creative control stays with the creator only. A fan can simply subscribe to those models to get access to the content. Apart from it, show their support and love for for a creator's content, they can voluntarily contribute any amount of money, which we call a cheer, and to the creator. So Utsav, Pragya, and I came up with this idea around 1 year ago, and we started building the platform then. During the whole development phase, we were in constant contact with many creators so that they can give us feedback and we can come up with a perfect product market fit. We launched on 12th of March and it was a huge success. More than 1,000 users came to visit the platform in just 30 minutes of our launch.
That's great. That's really a huge success. Also, Pragya, tell us about the team behind Memboro. Like Anshul mentioned, there are three of you. Tell us about what sets you apart from other such platforms.
Okay, so Memboro is a platform for the creators by the creators. I and Anshul are artists ourselves. Before actually developing the platform, we talked to over 100 creators to understand their problems and requirements when it came to being financially to financially support their own craft. A young, passionate team has been able to deliver features overnight, a 24/7 customer support, assisting creators who join us with marketing, with helping them to strategize for their content. I think how actively and dynamically we are involved with our creators and our users is something that sets us apart from any other startup.
Right. So, how does the crowdfunding process work on your platform? Take us through it.
Yeah, so let's assume that I am a painter and I release one of my painting on any social media platform, be it Instagram or YouTube or Memboro. And you as a fan really liked it a lot and you want to support me for making more such content like this. So you come to my Memboro profile and you write your message and your name and you cheer me some amount. Now that message with your name and your picture is going to stay there on my creator profile forever. So that's how the crowdfunding part works. And your messages, your worships for me, and your love for me is going to stay there forever.
Right. So, in a concept of crowdfunding, do you think that it's popular in India? Do you think it has scope, Pragya?
Uh, so it's no doubt that the concept is pretty new in Indian subcontinent. It's hard for people to see content creation as a full-time job yet. I mean, during the process and during our journey, a lot of creators told us, how they in fact left their jobs to pursue content creation full time after joining Memboro. So yeah, I mean, it's time people start realizing the value and potential this whole economy has. Also, it has been seen that people who choose the road less taken by are not able to get that respect in society. It's not just about money, it's about value and respect a content creator deserves. And yeah, through Memboro, we are trying to break that stigma.
Right. Anshul, tell us about the journey so far for Memboro.
Yeah, so currently the platform supports 100 plus creators, and We are gathering more and more users every month. So people are actively engaging with the creators they admire and contributing to their journey. A few of them even wrote to us telling us how they left their jobs, as Pragya mentioned, and become full-time creators after joining Member. So yes, the journey has been incredible. To be able to support such passionate creators, it's beautiful.
Right, Pragya, so tell us a bit about the type of creators who can, use your platform for crowdfunding.
Okay, so the scope is definitely abundant. Currently, as Anshul mentioned, we have 100 plus creators on the platform. So there are educators, there are artists, there are singers, there are dancers, there are writers. I think it's about it's any if anyone believes they have something valuable to share with the world, they can use the platform in any way they wish to, because the entire creative control is with you. The whole concept of memberships is entirely controlled by you. So yeah.
Right. So, how does this concept of membership work? So, I know YouTube has, several ways of sort of having their subscribers join creators and then, be patrons for them. So, is that how it works? Is it the same model that is being followed abroad as well, or is it slightly different?
Okay, so the thing is, at Memboro, so whenever a creator can create any amount of memberships. Now these memberships, the content which goes behind these memberships, the pricing of these memberships, the number of availability of slots of these memberships, what content goes, is it a text post, is it a video post, is it an audio post, is it a file, is it, if like as I said, there are different types of creators on the platform. It's not just for video creation. It's not just for comics. As you said, there are models, there are platforms abroad, there are platforms in maybe in India as well. But the in like having all of this as one play at one place, being able to engage with your community at such an intimate level, I don't think that's revolutionary.
Right. Also, Anshul, tell us about your future plans. How do you plan to expand and grow Membolo?
Yeah, so a lot of creators and artists takes custom orders and commission works. So commission is one thing that is there in India from a long time, but it is not been able for creators to provide their commission work on the social media platforms. So yeah, on Memboro, we are planning to introduce that, and we are planning to increase the support for it so that content creators who provide commission work, they would be able to give it through Memboro only. So that's one thing that we are planning. Apart from it, obviously we are planning to join more and more creators and to increase the support to each and everyone. Also, we are planning in the long term to expand globally. So yeah, that's also one thing that is coming.
Pragya, would you like to add to that?
So as Anshul mentioned, over the span of next year, we definitely wish to plan expand globally, and the entire sector of commissions, which is very highly unorganized, and the gap has to be bridged between customers and people who wish to offer those services. So yeah, we definitely plan to enter that as well.
Sounds great. All right. All the best to Team Memboro.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.